Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was the great Indian leader and freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother name was Putli Bai. His birthday, which is the 2nd of October 1869, is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. Gandhiji is also known as Bapu and the father of the nation. He led many movements like non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement, etc. Due to his efforts, India got independence from British rule in 1947. His principle of secularism encourages Hindu-Muslim unity. He taught us to be honest and truthful.